So you want skin like Hailey Bieber? I mean, honestly, who wouldn't? Her skin looks hydrated, healthy, and almost glass-like. Now, I can't say for sure that Hailey Bieber's skin is 100% natural. She could have had cosmetic treatments, we don't know. But no matter what, skin like that still needs daily care and maintenance. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you with in this video: how to build healthy, glowing skin that looks like hers. When people say Hailey Bieber skin, they usually mean skin that's hydrated, smooth, even, and glowing, not perfect. Most people think glow comes from makeup, but Hailey's look comes from barrier repair and hydration. First up, ice rolling or an ice bath for your face. Hailey has been seen using cold therapy to depuff and soothe her skin, especially before big events. This method can help reduce swelling and give your skin a brighter, tighter look, but don't leave ice directly on the face too long and always go by what feels comfortable. Hailey swears by gentle, hydrating cleansers, often starting with an oil cleanse to melt off makeup or SPF. Then, a soft, creamy wash. The goal is to remove buildup without stripping your skin, so your next products actually sink in. Next, hydration. A hydrating toner or essence keeps the skin barrier healthy and preps your face for serums. Hailey likes to press it in with her hands instead of wiping with cotton. That helps lock in moisture. Serums are where the magic really starts. Hailey uses peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to build glow and strengthen the skin. On days she wants extra glow, she also does hydrating masks that calm and plump the skin. Remember, ingredients matter, but your skin's moisture level matters most. Next, moisturizer and sometimes a face oil. Hailey often layers a rich cream, then a light oil on top for that glazed look, that shiny, hydrated finish you see. It's about locking everything in so the skin stays plump all day or night. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, yes, even if you're mostly inside. UV damage dehydrates and ages skin over time. Pick a hydrating, dewy SPF if you want that glazed look that lasts. Tools like face rollers, vibrating bars, or chilled gua she'll help with circulation and puffiness. Use them gently, they're not required, but they feel amazing and can enhance your glow. Remember, glow isn't instant, it's built with daily care. Consistency plus hydration plus protection equals healthy, radiant skin.